Hey guys, my name is Rahul and in today's video I am going to talk about how you can make a submission at Fashion Amnesty Classification Challenge. So let's get started. This is a simple challenge in which you have been given a dataset called Fashion Amnesty. What you have to do is to make a deep learning model that is able to classify these images into their respective categories. The categories to which an image may belong to are listed over here. To make a successful submission, you have to follow some guidelines that are your submission should include following files. Number one, a model file that is basically your trained model. Second, a requirement.txt file that is a list of modules that are required to run your submission. Third, a training script, a script that you have used to train your deep learning model. Fourth, a code execution script, that is a script named run.py file that should take an argument which points to the location of test images. This script should output a JSON file which is named output.json. It should contain the name of the image with the respective labels. For reference, you can see this example. Here, this is the name of the image and this is the label to which that image belongs to. Now, I am going to go through the approach that I have used to train my deep learning model. So I have used TensorFlow. Here I have imported the libraries. Here I have divided my dataset into training and test part. Here I have defined my Keras sequential model and trained it on the dataset. With this approach, I was able to get 0.93 FN score as an accuracy matrix, and after that I have saved my model using model.save. So with this I have my training notebook and a saved model ready. Now I have to generate my requirement.txt file. So with this command I am able to generate the requirement.txt file. Now let's head towards the run.py file, that is my code execution script. So this is my run.py file in which I have taken an argument called testdir that points to a directory which contains the test images. Then I have run the prediction on each image one by one and saved the result in a dictionary. After that, I have converted the dictionary into a JSON file with the name of the image as a key and the label as its pair. With this, I have my submission folder ready. Now, what I have to do is to make a zip file of this folder and upload it on the challenge page. So now let's make the zip file. So my zip file is ready. Now let's upload this to the challenge. So here you have to upload the zip file you just created, and that's all you require to make a submission at Fashion Amnesty Classification Challenge. Thank you guys.